Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to extract text from images using LiveText in native iOS application. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. Now here you can see this is my iOS app running, and this is an actual image. Okay, now I'll rerun my application just to show you guys something. So here it is running my application. Now keep an eye on the bottom right side. Just wait a bit, and here you can see this scan icon, something like that is being created. So what this extracting text from images means that we are using something called VisionKit, and it does take a little bit of time to analyze your image. Once this scan icon is displayed, then only we can extract text from this images. So suppose now I can just select this text from this image, just like we do normal things for a text inside a text field or a label. So here you can see I can copy it, translate it, look up, do everything. Okay, there is if you have phone number, then you can you also get a call option at the bottom left corner, just like at the bottom right corner we are getting this scan icon. So yeah, that's what this thing is all about. What if I use some different image? So here inside assets you can see I will use few images. I was using image 3, change to image 1. Also this is a new thing in native iOS, that you don't have to write the hardcode the image name as string. You can directly use it as a resource so that you don't do spelling mistake. Here you can see again I can just get this text. Again you have to be little patient at the start till you see this scan icon. So it varies from images to images how fast VisionKit can detect or decode your image. Okay, so again we see the same thing, we can extract stuff from it. And here you can see image 2, and hopefully here you can see I have two phone numbers. I'm not getting that phone number icon because I don't know why, but I can just, here you can see I can directly call or FaceTime anyone what I want. So yeah, hopefully you get what I'm trying to say. Let's see how to do this. It's pretty simple actually. So inside assets, make sure this is only done for static images. So if your images is constantly changing, you might face issues, so be careful with that. So here is our view controller. Okay, here I am importing VisionKit. I am using UIKit. If you want, you can use SwiftUI as well. Just add these two delegate, image analysis interaction delegate as well as UI gesture recognizer delegate. Here I have created our image view. Then I have created this image analysis interaction, image analyzer, as well as image analyzer configuration. And here we are detecting text, as well as if you have QR codes, that also can be detected. Then here we are just initializing our image, and this is our image name which I have added inside the assets folder. Okay, again we don't need this hard coded string names. Here I am using this content mode of scale aspect fit. I am adding our image view to our view, and here I am just doing translate auto resizing mask into constraint as false. Then I am setting this NS layout constraints to our image view. I am setting the interaction delegate equal to self, adding that interaction to our image view, and then calling analyze current image. And once we get the image from our image view, we just use this task. Okay, then we just do analyzer.analyze, pass our image, pass our configuration, and we just do interaction.analysis equal to analysis, and interaction.prefer interaction mode equal to automatic. If you want, you can, if there is any error, you can write it inside the, like, handle it inside the catch clause. So yeah, that's it. You just have to import VisionKit and you can use LiveText for your images. Also one more thing, this is I think only supported from iOS devices which are released from 2018 and above. So hopefully it should cover 99% of the iOS devices. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.